Hello, Brandon here with RHI. Today I wanted to show you what an installed radon mitigation system looks like. The system installed, it's a fairly easy process. We're in a basement, so what they had to do is they had to drill a hole 4 inches wide down in through past the concrete slab, and they had to create a void underneath the slab. What that does is it gives a pocket for the air to be able to collect under the slab, and then the system will actually suck out the air. So essentially what it does is it puts the underside of your house in like a vacuum so that it's pulling that radon out through the house. And then you can see here is a gauge that you can monitor. Right here, if it's not showing 0, let me simulate no system running, it's at 0. And then if the fan is actually working, you can see it's at 0.5. And let me show you what the outside part of that system looks like. So here's the exterior part of the system. The pipe comes back out from the basement. It runs up, and this is basically a fan that is housed in an outside weather tight box. And then the only thing that has to happen from there is the air that passes through that fan has to go up and over the roof line, so that if there's any radon being passed through, it goes up and over where anybody would be breathing. But that is essentially what has to be done in order to get your radon levels down to acceptable levels. Typically, this type of system costs between $900 and $1,500 to have put in. So they're really not too bad even when you do have a high radon level. Once again, I'm Brandon with RHI, and thanks for watching.